Alright, so welcome back. We got some more stuff to do. I wanted to get that stupid box done, but some of the parts that we need to finish it off aren't showing up on time, so we'll have to move on to the next thing. So let's just pop the hood here and get working on the next item. Alright, so since we got the majority of this kind of buttoned up where we need to, we can start pulling some of these pieces off. And we'll just start with the exhaust here. So that'll be the easiest. Alrighty. This side's the trickiest. Alright. Alright, so over here on the turbo side, I wanted to put this bracket so it braces off the head and hangs onto the turbo some as well. It's like I don't want everything hanging off the manifold, although that heavy cast iron manifold should hold it. I just figure a little bit of triangulation doesn't hurt anything. Alright, so now that we got all those off of there, I'm just going to quickly douse it with a little high heat paint. Finish blasting this. Alright, that's gonna have to do it. This is really only to protect the metal a little bit and to create a better surface for the next step. Like we got ourselves some header rod. Alright, this is a kind of one of those titanium style, which is made from kind of a rock wool type of setup. So we'll actually use this and wrap everything, and that should hopefully keep the exhaust from incinerating everything in the car and that type of stuff. So once this paint finished drying, we'll get to wrapping. and the paint helps the wrap from sliding around. So that's that. All right, let's just get going here. We're gonna cut off this end here just to have a nice clean end. And we pretty much just grab an area and go to town. Now this stuff isn't as itchy as a fiberglass, but it still has that fiberglass tendency, so you still need to somewhat be careful. But all in all, that's looking pretty good. Alright, well, something along the lines of that. Not perfect. That should at least get us in the vicinity. Alright, well, something along the lines of that. It's not perfect, but for what we need, it doesn't need to be perfect. Alright, so let's call it there. We got this guy done, and the other pipes, so we're heading down the right direction. So hopefully the parts will come in for the surge box there, and we can finish getting that hooked up and get the fuel pumps loaded into there, and we can be done with that section. But we're continuing down this path here. We're going to have to pull the motor here to get all the cam and that type of stuff, and then hopefully by then I will have sold one of the spare vehicles from Life. Not one of the project vehicles, just one of the other daily driver style vehicles. And that should give us enough funding to get the clutch and get moving a little bit faster. So, thanks again for stopping by, and hopefully I will get to see you later.